So my power is out on my property. No power, no problem, baby. Yes, sir.
Not too late to chase the sun. Just you wait.
I come out here and use some of these old battery-powered power tools, and I'm building my miter saw station. So I got my first section built. I still got to do my top, obviously, but right now I'm leveling it because even though I had it squared when I built the frame, the flooring that I'm putting it on is not level. So it's always a game of tug of war. All right, my first section is done. That's what it looks like. That's where my miter saw station will go, and then completion of the table that way. My storage, temporary. I might end up doing cabinets, but right now it's just storage. So I'm getting ready to countersink it. And then throw on some screws to fasten it down. And this one will be done. All right, building the second part of my table. I got my frames done. I'm getting ready to build them old legs. So I got a jig set up here. Get them all squared up. So I get down. Up. Legs, baby. Okay, so my leg will go here, like so. All right, let's line it up and stab it. And I'll show you why it's such a beautiful design. And let that pull in plush. So I'm using my work table to build my work table. It ain't stable and it ain't set yet, but it can hold the material. We're gonna leave it at that. I guess I need a battery. Battery, Aziz. But there it is. That's the one you saw me building today. That side is level and installed. This side is level and installed. This is a 8-foot side. This is about a 5.5-foot side. Here got my little miter saw box. So this will be my frame for the portion that my miter saw is gonna go on. Perfectly square. Flat surface of the work table. Square box first time.